Yes, she is. Well done, Emily. Hooray! How did you get up there? Look, Maya. Emily's standing up. I'm taking a video. Yeah?
I want little red riding hood.
Do you know how to press play?
What?
Oh, the volume.
What?
You need to press the volume up. The volume is over here on the side.
So on here?
Yep. So move that around until it gets louder. Maybe the other way around. Maybe press play again.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Yay! You fixed it. Oh my gosh.
I thought I'd go and visit Grandmother today,
Let me just...
said Little Red Riding Hood. That's a good idea, replied her mother. Why don't you take her a basket of treats? She has been sick, and they will cheer her up. Be careful walking through the wood. There may be wolves. Little Red Riding Hood loaded the basket with lots of lovely things. I'll put some apples in as well, she thought, and picked some shiny red ones from the tree. But she didn't realize that a hungry wolf was watching everything she did.
Maya.
The wolf jumped out in front of Little Red Riding Hood as she skipped through the forest. Don't come near me, she warned him, or I'll shout for Will the Woodman.
I only wondered where you were going.
Answered the wolf. To see my grandmother, Little Red Riding Hood explained. And no, you can't come as well. Off you go. The wolf slunk back into the bushes. Little Red Riding Hood went on her way, but in the middle of the wood she stopped to make a daisy chain for her grandmother. The wolf, meantime, ran ahead to Grandmother's house and climbed in through an open window. But someone was watching him. Please don't eat me, begged Grandmother. I'm only skin and bone. I don't smell at all.
Are you listening to the story?
Don't worry,
Well, are you listening to the story?
I'm after brushing.
Are you listening to the story? Oh, is it a nice story?
And shut him in a big puddle. As soon as he had shut Grandmother away, the wolf went to her wardrobe. He took out a big nightdress and put it on. Then he put on her best nightcap and her glasses, jumped into bed. Soon, Little Red Riding Hood arrived at the house and knocked on the door. The wolf called out in a gruff voice.
Okay, you go get it.
Little Red Riding Hood,
Get with me,
can you
okay?
come